I have been in a variety of product design and creative industries where I could mention fast-moving consumer goods, working as a brand strategist. This industry taught me so much about the intangible perceived value of a product and minimizing the gap between the product and the consumers. This gap can be minimized by maximizing understanding, usability, and likability. Most importantly, once you put a customer in a position to exchange value for money, be warned there is zero tolerance for awful experience. This is why billion-dollar companies are capable of failing too, and some of them did. I have worked as a print production manager in vehicle wrapping and in signage industry. Signage industry taught me so much about visual communication and helping people to navigate the world through wayfinding. So this course is a sum total of all my experiences in human interaction around these industries, and it's an adaptation of that experience to human and computer interaction, user experience.